you see in me. Gotta be.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Reach, and I am finally back with another Watch Me Work video. It has been a while since I uploaded a video, but it was all for good reason, of course. So as promised, I've officially launched my online workshops where you can learn all of my tips and tricks to achieving a smooth acrylic application. I am so excited for this. This course covers everything from sanitation to nail prep, tip application, basic acrylic application, reshaping, and more. Or if you're just looking for application only, I got y'all covered too. You can just purchase a separate workshop just for application as well. And some benefits that you can get with my workshop is that you can learn at your own pace. There's 2.5 hours of material that you can go over. There's always lifetime access, so it's not just a membership. You have lifetime access to this material. It's beginner friendly, and you get monthly payment plan options, so you don't have to pay the full amount. Like, I have options where you could just purchase the workshop, you know, at an affordable rate. Okay, and you also get a certificate at the end of, you know, once you complete the workshop. So I'm excited. I've been working on this all summer. I've been trying to make sure that everything is perfect, you know, ready for, you know, for you guys, just in case, for those who want to learn how, you know, how to get a really smooth application, because that's, I'm telling you, once you get a smooth application, the rest just falls naturally. I swear it does. So yeah, everything is in the description box below, but without further ado, I'm just going to let the rest of the video run, and let me guys know what you think in the comment section down below.
I eat that lunch, she keep that booty, she keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. He asked me, told you where you at, huh? And I wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, net and some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that numb. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with the cellulite. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then again, man, I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, she keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bend that ass over, doors, you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese. I don't put rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack. Get you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. Juicy and it's tighter than a virgin, like McDonald's say. I love when you give it and I love when you don't. Hit me with the grease, sometimes you won't. You told me don't with no bitches, you know. Nah, you got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, she keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, till you see it from the back, back till you see it back, yeah, back till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the back till you see it from the back. He need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running like it pump. He need the rump and need the thighs. He eat that up and in the night. He see that in the dark and in the right. He keep it running. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back till you see it back, yeah, back till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing.
Yeah. Too sexy for this girl, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.